Here's a few pieces of matrix Koroite material from central Queensland. It's Boulder Opal, rules in millimetres, you can see across the bottom. The white that you can see is the reflection of the light. This is being ground through the middle there. Basically stone there. Not so much colour on that side. Still rough on that side. It's basically pattern rather than colour in this piece. A bit of blues. This piece has got quite a nice bit of colour in it. Matrix is hard to photograph, I've found. It's the back. This is probably the best piece here. It's a lot of reds and greens, gold through the middle here. See if I can get it on the camera for you. That's better. Come up a bit closer. Sorry about that. It's the back. Got quite nice colour. Be interesting to grind that down a little bit and see what you get. You might end up with a double-sided stone. Just try that little bit again, a bit closer. Another piece of matrix type material, not so much colour in this piece. Over on this side here, a bit of greens showing there. Bluey greens. Lucky last. Basically nice pattern through it. A bit of fire there on the right hand side. It's the back of the stone. As you can see, it's reasonably thick. Bit of ways to grind down. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.